sometimes you have an iOS device which can be updated to 13 iOS version, but in this iPad I'm having only 12.4.6 version. So like I want to download an iMovie for this iPad, but I couldn't because of the required version 13 above. But this one I'll show you. Where's the settings and general, go about, see the software version is 12.4.5. so if you go to the App Store and you won't be able to download the iMovie because it requires 13 above. So what you need to do is, after opening this App Store, now you go to your ID icon and go to this purchased. All your old downloaded apps will be here, whether it is updated or whether it is updated, or whether it is required to be updated, or whether the one which you have uninstalled. All the old one, it will be available here. See, so here's the iMovie. Now you just re-download it and this one will pop out. Download an older version of this app. The current version requires iOS 13.4 or later, but you can download the last compatible version, so download. Now you'll be getting the iMovie in this iPad of the version 12, unlike which I have in my iPhone, the latest version 13 above. In this way you can download an iMovie with in your old version iPhone or an iPad. Hope this helps you. Now it will be downloading and you can open it.
So it's downloaded. See, you can see iMovie. Now just now it has been downloaded. This is 10 March 19, which I'm downloaded on. It's already a year. See, I can download the old version of it.